In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn auto-capitalization in Microsoft Word. If you've ever noticed that your text automatically changes to capital letters when you didn't intend it to, or if you want Word to handle capitalization for you while typing, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and smoothly. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand exactly where these settings are located and how to adjust them based on your personal preference. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer and access any document. Once you are inside the program, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will open what is known as the Backstage view, where you can manage Word's overall settings and configurations. From the menu that appears, scroll down until you see Options and select it. A dialog box labeled Word Options will open. On the left side of this window, choose the section called Proofing. This area contains tools related to spelling, grammar, and automatic corrections that Word applies as you type. Within the Proofing section, locate and click the button labeled Auto-Correct Options. A smaller window will pop up, and you should ensure that you are viewing the Auto-Correct tab. This tab controls various automatic formatting behaviors, including capitalization. In this section, you will notice several checkboxes that determine how Word handles capital letters. One of the most commonly used settings is the option that capitalizes the first letter of sentences. When enabled, Word automatically changes the first letter after a period into uppercase. If you want Word to continue doing this, keep the box checked. If you would rather control capitalization manually, simply clear the checkbox. You will also find additional capitalization settings, such as automatically capitalizing the first letter of table cells, capitalizing the names of days, and correcting accidental use of the caps lock key. Adjust these according to your typing habits and preferences. After making your selections, click OK to confirm your changes, and then click OK again to exit the Word Options window. The new settings will take effect immediately. For example, if you type a sentence beginning with a lowercase letter after a period, Word may instantly convert it to uppercase when the feature is enabled. Disabling the option prevents that automatic correction. That's all there is to it. You now have full control over auto-capitalization in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.